This heater is seriously impressive.
Hey?
That heater is seriously impressive.
Yeah.
Well, a gift's a gift, isn't it?
A gift's a gift.
A gift's a gift.
You bought me loads of nice things.
Bloody hell, you know she wants to move in, don't you?
I don't mind that. Quite like it, you don't take up much space.
You may able to put her in the
Like
shed.
having a gnome in the house.
You may be able to put her in the shed down the bottom.
Yeah.
She'll probably be
out.
She's so cheerful all the time. She'd probably say, "Yeah, great. Yeah, great." I was talking to somebody the other day when I think it might have been Granville's, and I was introducing her to I think Johnny Mansell, and I said, "This young woman's called Lauren. She's American. She's the happiest, most cheerful person you ever can meet." I said, "She's that cheerful. If I said I was going to blow her brains out with a shotgun, she'd probably ask me if it was ensure that it was loaded before I pull the trigger, just to make sure I did it right." She's that positive about everything. She's quite likeable, isn't she?
Yeah. She's a nice girl, really.
Yeah. I quite like it.
She is a nice girl.
No, I quite like it, yeah.
Yeah.
I think she's getting to grips with the English sense of humour.
Yeah. She'd have no choice, really, will she?
Well,
She's hanging around with English people all the while.
yeah, but Damien and his crew, they won't swear, will they? I bet there's no swearing at Brett Floyd rehearsals and events and gigs.
All right.
Not like coming in
There's
here.
no swearing here, is there? Just normal language for me, that is.
Well, put it like this, when we were all playing together on Monday and she was sat on the box seat box thing,
Yeah.
and somebody said, I think it was David said to you, "What are we doing?" And she said, "Well, I know one thing that's for certain, profanity, rudeness, and messing about." So she's got you nailed to a T. Although I'll tell you one, she has told me she does not like the word that begins with C.
No.
So you need to avoid that.
Yeah.
I know you never use it, but well, we'll tell Dave Cottrell to stop using it.
Yeah.
Why don't we do a just in case anybody's been wondering where you've been, apart from the fact that I've not been coming up here because I've been working.
Yeah.
Do you want to explain to people why you disappeared for a little bit, or you're not bothered? Because you were, let's be honest, you literally almost died.
I did.
Yeah. So that's got to be worth a YouTube video.
I don't know really, because I think it bores people.
Do you think what?
I think illness bores people. They don't like to hear about it because they equate it with themselves. It might happen to them. Well, I'll tell you. I'll do it briefly.
Right.
I woke up in the night for go to the toilet.
Yes.
And my bed was full of blood.
Yeah.
I lost 7 pints of blood. I got to the toilet in time and had my wee. My leg was spurting out blood all over the bathroom floor then, and all over the floor from the bedroom to the bathroom. There was blood everywhere.
Oh dear.
It looked like a chainsaw massacre.
Yeah, Scarface.
I slipped on the blood. I landed on the floor, the bathroom tile floor, and I lay there for 11.5 hours. Shaking, freezing cold,
Yeah.
and until I was rescued, and two ambulances came, and they got me out downstairs. The girls, they were all girls, and I was naked, lovely. I thought that'd cheer you up.
I wonder if they've
I thought that'd make you laugh.
Do you think they've recovered yet?
I don't think there was any blood in me to get it big.
No, I mean just
That shrunk back into my body. That had.
No, I think you got the wrong right. I mean just a general sight of you with nothing on. Never mind your tallywhack.
Oh, right, I see. You find that funny, do you?
Well,
That's very nice. I could be hurt by that statement. That laughing.
I'm just assuming that YouTube viewers don't get too depressed by this tale. But anyway, so you got to hospital. I was told you're literally on the edge of death.
That's right.
Yeah. But you bounced back like before.
We're all on the edge of death, you know.
Yeah, you're right. Absolutely.
Well, you don't expect that. I didn't expect that. I didn't have any forewarning that I was suddenly going to bleed to death. A vein burst in the leg. Just spontaneous combustion of a vein, apparently, or something.
Spontaneous combustion.
It was something like that. Spontaneous eruption of a vein. That was it.
Bloody hellfire. So what did? Well, okay.
And
So
it was pissing. My leg was just pouring. It was shooting out like from a hose.
yeah. Well,
Your heart keeps pumping, doesn't it? Until it's got nothing to pump. If it's only then pumping air.
well, hopefully, yeah. So how long were you in about a week, weren't you?
Yeah, 8 days.
So I remember messaging you saying, Doug, what songs you want to do later on the Monday? And you said, I won't be coming down tonight. I'm currently having a blood transfusion.
Yeah.
Well, you had
I didn't have many blood transfusions. I had 3 blood transfusions of pints and an iron transfusion of a pint of iron.
oh yeah.
And that's it. I've got to make my own up now.
Have you not been given like any deluxe iron tablets since that event?
No, I'm only on 1 tablet a day now. They've cut my iron tablets down, the doctors have, for some reason.
All right.
Can you open that door a bit? This won't right. It's not drawing at all.
Yeah. I'm an expert fire maker.
Well, it's iron normally, but this won't. It's not drawing. There's no heat in the pipe.
Oh no, door's shut again. You put this door on too well. It keeps closing. Oh.
There we go. Just about trying its best. Don't know if there's anything left in this to give it a boost. I don't think there is. Oh, there's something. There you go.
You want to call another ambulance? Here we go again.
No, there's only a tiny bit in there.
Have you heard about Doug? He's gone up in flames.
So I hope everybody had a nice Christmas. I've had a nice Christmas. I've had the family round it, which is nice. And did turkey breast, a big one.
Chernobyl turkey.
That was a lovely turkey breast.
Imported from Chernobyl.
It was massive. It was like a bloody ostrich.
I bet the cost of it was massive as well. They're about 30, 40 quid now, aren't they, turkeys?
So that was a lot more than that.
More?
Yeah. It was a massive thing. I had it last year, and more than half of it was in the freezer, which is what we've had this year.
Oh, you can't even say it's like
massive.
2 years worth.
It was like a bloody ostrich's breast. I've never seen it. It must have been the biggest turkey in the bloody history of turkeys.
Oh.
It was as big as the country. Turkey.
What did you do for afters in your house?
Oh, we had everything, all the trimmings, obviously. Everybody does, don't they? And I did it all. And then we had a trifle that Samantha had made.
Yeah.
And then we just generally got drunk.
Again?
No, I didn't really get very drunk, no. I didn't feel like getting too drunk, so I didn't really. I just had a couple of whiskies, I think. Oh, and I drank quite copious amounts of port.
Well, probably because you were hungover from the night before, by the sounds of it.
Yes, I did. I actually didn't wake up with a hangover.
You got lucky.
I think I probably did have a hangover, but I was so busy with the headache.
You don't want to start, with all your illnesses, you don't want to start drinking, do you?
No.
Just complicate things.
I'm not starting drinking. I'm not a drinking person. Not something I do.
Did your daughter do any of her world famous pork pies?
Yes, I've got one in the fridge.
Oh, maybe we'll have to have a blast of that.
They're very nice. It's big pieces of pork in it.
We can give a bit to Lauren. Tell her it's
I don't think she'd appreciate it.
vegan pie. Oh, well, no. Yeah. I'll tell you something after the camera's been turned off.
Okay.
You know, there's something I've realised about filming is that, like, when I'm filming you, I'm quite appreciative of the fact that you might say some horrendous things. Yeah. If I was being filmed, I wouldn't want to reveal anything.
Alright. Shut the door now.
you think this coal fire will compete with that electric
I've had a
fire?
new pipe put on, back on, a metal pipe, a steel pipe.
Oh, right, you,
The stainless steel pipe's gone.
you had a shiny black one, didn't you?
Yeah, it was all stainless steel, double skinned.
Is it crap?
Well, it was lovely, but it was giving no heat out the pipe
Oh, yeah, yeah.
because it was with it double skinned and a thin pipe, thin stainless steel.
You know what you've ended up with there, don't you? You've ended up with the heat pump version of the coal pipe,
Yeah.
coal chimney pipe. That's what.
This is 1/4 inch steel, this one,
Yeah.
and it's just one pipe.
If some complete.
But it's got a double skin there,
Yeah, so
and
it won't
double
catch fire.
skin going upwards, double.
Yeah. So the thing you had before was the kind of thing that some turd from the council would have made you install because otherwise you'd be in danger of getting too hot. Yeah.
There's Lauren.
She's here.
Yeah.
Hang on.
Hello.
Oh my God. That's not Lauren. Doug, you say goodbye.
I will do. Well, turn that off. Goodbye.
I'm
Fuck off then.